Okay, guys, so we are in San Francisco. Chesla's trying to get us lost. She made me walk. I told her repeatedly to follow the GPS. She's like, no, it's okay. We're going to go the short way. About to have us walking through the woods. I ain't walking through no doggone woods. She got me. I'm not walking through no woods. So I'm coming around the long way. We got into an argument in the street. But look, I got her to come the long way too, so that we don't get kidnapped or catch nothing crazy. She's taking forever though. Look at her back there, walking all slow, talking about, I'm not taking a long way. Guess what you're doing? I can't wait till you see this, Chesla. I can't wait till you see this. And you know what you put me through. I'm out here hot as hell carrying this big ass bag. I was not prepared to be doing all this walking, okay? I wanted to catch an Uber or a Lyft. We caught the bus to the mall, and then from the mall it's supposed to be a quick walk. But Chesla talking about she can outwork the GPS, talking about it just don't want us to go that way because ain't no crosswalk. Ain't no crosswalk, ain't no sidewalk, ain't no way to cross the street, and it's gated off. Can't believe her. Who are you talking to? You said it better get nice?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought you was talking mess.
Oh, I was.
Oh.
I said, you.
Me?
Whenever you sleeping back today in your life.
You almost had us walking through the woods.
We could have walked.
You tried to get us kidnapped, so I don't want to hear it. Girl, you don't know where we at. This don't look too nice, too much nicer. Okay? This don't look nice at all. Talking about we not in Oakland, so we safe. If that's what you think you got, please. I am in a foreign land. I ain't never been here before today. I'm not taking no risks. Not with my life. But what I am, though, is hot and tired. God damn it. But it's beautiful out here, though. Kinda. The trees is nice, I'll say that. Oh, this might be cute. Just gotta find myself a crosswalk. Because what else I'm not about to get is no ticket. I don't know how strict they are on jaywalking out here. You're not going to catch me slipping. Come on, Chesla. Yeah, this is a gas station. You need gas? Yeah, now I want to cross the street under circumstances where I feel safe.
It ain't even jaywalking because there's no sidewalk.
Yeah, but it ain't walking through the dirt and the jungle. Okay, now where is unit 112? Hurry up. You?
So Kia can see?
Oh no, I'm recording. I'm vlogging.
Oh.
Ha ha ha.
Jasmine steals burrito.
What? Excusez-moi? I have never. I don't even eat to take Kia's burrito. You was the one asking for it.
I asked for her spare room. That's what I asked.
You said, and to put the burrito in your bed. So we just saw the first place. It stank. We won't be living there. We're on our way to the second place. And it's a good thing that we really not gonna live there since I showed y'all what it looked like. Okay. We found a place that's a lot better than the first one. Thank God. I need some Vaseline on my lips. Hold on. Okay, that's a little better, I guess. Y'all, my hair is a mess. Don't judge me. It's time for me to wash it. I'm gonna go and put some braids in it, but we found a place on our first day. So excited. So the time that we spend here next week, I guess it's just gonna be hangout time and getting to know San Francisco time and figuring out how long it takes us to get back and forth between our place and the airport and move-in time. all that. Me and Chesla stopped at this place and we ordered some onion rings and something to drink because we was hot and sweaty. We've been walking around for hours. We're still waiting on my uncle. He was coming from Oakland though, but he said he's gonna meet up with us. So yeah, very excited. Now I guess we can start looking for flights back home. Rings came. Look at Chesla. You ugly. It is pretty. see?
Scenic thing I've seen.
Right, the first cute thing we done seen of San Francisco.
That's because y'all came and went this way.
Yeah.
Coming back this way, you didn't go toward San Francisco.
Yeah, apparently.
They fly in snow, and then they
What?
make a whole snow park. Yeah.
They fly the snow in?
Fly or drive, whatever. But yeah, it's a whole, you can snowboard, ski.
Wow. Y'all, I both am and look tired. And I will get to Atlanta at 9:27 a.m. This was a whole lot of traveling for one day. But I also can't say that I won't do it again. So yeah. I'm just really tired right now. I cannot wait to see my bed because when I do, it's gonna be on and popping. Like on and popping. What you mean? But we did meet up with my Uncle Jason. That was fun. We went to the Cheesecake Factory. He's so funny. He talking about next time I have to take y'all to a nice restaurant, but we were pressed for time this time. I was like, when is cheesecake not nice? I guess I'm I guess I'm just not fancy enough. I don't know. Him and Chelsea was both like, yeah, cheesecake isn't nice. Oh, I love cheesecake. Okay. But it's whatever. Just waiting on this plane so I can get home. Okay? Home to my bed where I can sleep comfortably, not around a bunch of people. I'll see y'all later. Okay, you guys, I landed. My mommy came and got me. We are in Atlanta's. I'm about to go home and shower and go to bed because I'm tired. Okay? I'll see y'all later. Guys, on my way back to San Francisco. See you soon. Guys, so super late. It's like 3 a.m. my time. It's only like 12 here though. I am tired, but I'm also super excited. I'm in my hotel room. So, okay, last time y'all saw me, I had just got back to Atlanta. I was only there for like a day, slept most of it, and now I'm back in San Fran. I'm in a hotel room right now. I start my IOE in like, well, 2 days now. What else? Chelsea is gonna meet up with me tomorrow out here, I do believe. And you know, it's lit. We at the hotel. It's cute. I'm gonna show y'all the room in a second. For real this time. I can't remember if I ever showed y'all the room we trained in. I don't remember, but whatever. Here you go. Okay, so I'm at the front door right now. When you walk in, you have this closet, and then the bathroom is here like so. Like the countertops. Oh, and the mirror. That mirror is cute. Hold on, let me see myself in this mirror. I gotta take off my bag. Ooh. Okay, we're just gonna. The mirror's cute. I like it. Nice and bright. So you can see every bag I have under my eyes. Cool. And then we have the room. I checked under the bed already. Let me check. I got my bag sitting up on the desk just because I don't know what they got here. We're gonna check the bed. So now I'm about to go to sleep because I'm up tired. Okay, we got another mirror right here. TV right here. I just realized I only gave y'all like a half-ass tour. Oh, mini fridge right here. Nothing in it, of course. Water's sitting right there. Oh, can we focus? Can we focus? Okay. Ooh, coffee creamer. What kind? It's half and half. I'll leave that there. Another mirror back there. Hey, girl. And let's look at the view. This is my view. Very dark. It's just the parking lot and the shutters. So, yeah, there we go. That's the rest of the hotel. Got a little chair right there. It's pretty dark in here. It's about to stay that way because I'm going to sleep. And I'm about to get in the shower and I'm realizing I left my blanket at home. I'm sad. If it wasn't a 5-hour flight, I would be tempted to fly back home just for that blanket. I can't lie to you. I sleep with that blanket every night. I love that blanket. But I guess I gotta be a big girl without my blanket. For 3, oh my gosh, for a whole week. Because I'm not even about to go back home for a whole week. Oh, this is a mess. Can't do that no more. I bet you I won't. I bet you I won't. But okay. Good night, y'all. I'm about to get in the shower and go to bed. Hey, guys. It is 11:14 a.m. I've been up. So I've been up since 7-something, laying in this bed. I got out the bed several times to do things like brush my teeth and take a shower and just like stuff. Got my food. I ordered DoorDash from this one place and got me a Belgian waffle and some orange juice. 'Twas delicious. But honestly, I could completely see myself laying in this bed all day because 1, I'm tired still. I think I'm jet lagged. I don't know. But 2, I just want to. I just want to lay in the bed all day and not do anything at all. Chelsea don't even get here till like 8-something. So honestly, I could. Ooh, I might edit videos, you know. At least while I'm laying in the bed, I'll be productive. I'm definitely about to study. I'm going to do a lot of studying today and tomorrow. But I could completely see myself. Whew. I could completely see myself not getting out this bed. Y'all, my scarf was all the way off my head when I woke up. Like, it was gone. But I put it back on. I'm so fat, y'all. This is terrible. Let me tell y'all, I really laid in the bed all day today, for real, for real. I have not left this hotel room not once. Chelsea just hit me up and said she just landed and she's on the way over. This is what she's about to see. I had, what is this? Crab meat enchiladas from Celia's. They was like $5 an enchilada. They're so good, too. I couldn't even, they're so good. I had a waffle, Belgian waffle with orange juice this morning. I had some, ice cream in the freezer that I got from Salt and Straw. Salt and Straw, yeah. With like, it's vanilla sea salt ice cream with caramel ribbons in it. Like and the caramel's so good, y'all. The ice cream is so good. The food is so good. I've been laying in this bed eating all day. It's terrible. This hotel has a gym though, so I'm gonna go tomorrow. Or maybe I'll get my steps in tomorrow when we go out to see the town. Who knows? Excited that Chesla made it. So I did at least study. So yeah, it wasn't a total waste of a day. But yeah, no, I've been in this bed like all day for the most part. And I'm not even sad about it. No shame. I can already tell y'all when I go to places that I don't want to go for real, probably gonna be living this life, this slam click lifestyle. I see I'm all about it. I don't have no qualms, okay? None. Chesla made it and look at how cute she looks. Yes, look it. Yes, see, we left her bed untouched.
Thank you.
Girl, I checked everything. I wiped down everything. You see my Clorox wipes in there in that bathroom chilling because you already know. You already know.
Let me get this crabby enchilada.
Go ahead, boo. Chelsea tried the ice cream. She was scraping the thing. She liked it as well, so I'm not just being fat. That ice cream really is good from Salt and Straw. Huh? Yeah, my bad. She really likes the ice cream. She was scraping the container, and she liked the crab meat enchiladas, so I have excellent taste, but I already knew that. I just wanted y'all to know that too. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my next video.